Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today we're gonna paint the whole landscape, and this painting gonna be the first from the mini serial as usual. So we will create 3 of the landscapes. This one is the most simple and I really recommend to start with it. Canvas is small, so it's mean in kind of short time we will complete the whole process. Real-time tutorial going for 1 hour and 4 minutes, and you can find it on Patreon. All links are down below, and also want to let you know there in a real time you can find not just the process but also comments about techniques, brushes I recommend for the painting, and also some little tricks that will help to paint this composition. So join me there if you want to paint together. Here you can find demonstration version of tutorial, and you can see the whole process in a short time, and of course the final result. This is the most interesting point, I think. Well, usually here I'm giving just the general advices, and this time it's gonna be about color. Here we will work with lots of the yellow. It's not a surprise, isn't it, as soon as it's a fall landscape. Remember, very important to start with gentle colors. Even if sky is blue, and yes, in a fall season possible to create very bright and beautiful blue sky. But for this composition I recommend to start with very gentle, lightweight blue and violet, and this way you will have no issues with lemon yellow and yellow medium. My lemon yellow, I can tell you, it's a kind of transparent color, even translucent if I will mix it with lots of the water. So no water, try to paint with thick brush strokes. If you want to create very detailed tree crown, try to paint with short dots created with your brush. See, each touch means 1 brush stroke. They are all short, but all thick. This way I'm bringing nice amount of a color each time, so even when color drying and became more flat, I'm painting with a soft type of acrylic, so it's not same thick as heavy body, right? So even after the drying, bright colors and colors with some low coverage will look still bright. Thank you very much for joining me here today, and just want to remind you, if you don't want to miss the next tutorials in this serial, don't forget to subscribe. Painting done. Hopefully you like how it's turned. Thumbs up if you do. And well, let's remove the tape. And the last one. I'm usually using the tape because it's helping to me to keep a canvas under the camera. Painting done, my friends. I'll catch you on my next videos. Thank you for watching. It was a PaintyKat. Bye bye.